You see this little desk here? Believe it or not, it was made by all the machines I bought from Blue Elephant Company as a demonstration on how effective these machines are. We're talking about CNC, edge bander, drill machine, and all its accessories. So we started doing this and it took less than 30 minutes to do, to complete and cut, edge band, and do everything in under 30 minutes. And look how beautiful it is. So the machines, they are very effective. They are good. So I would like anybody to make inquiries to Blue Elephant. You know, this is in Jinan, in China. So look at the product. Beautiful. Under 30 minutes with the machines I bought here as a demonstration. That's good.